बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लाहौर। आप देख रहे हैं UMT TV और मुझे कहते हैं एहसन अली। आपको पता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लाहौर में बहुत जल्दी उन लोगों के लिए एडमिशन्स ओपन होने जा रहे हैं जिन्होंने पिछली बार मिस कर दिया था, बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी लाहौर अब माशाल्लाह 5वें नंबर पर रैंक कर रही है रिसर्च और साइंस में। और दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग अकम्पलिशमेंट फॉर the university, for its students, for its faculty members, for all management, वो बच्चे जो बहुत इंक्यूजियस हैं, जो जानना चाहते हैं कि यूनिवर्सिटी में कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम जो हैं वो ऑफ़र कराए जाते हैं, उनका क्राइटेरिया क्या है, एडमिशन्स कब स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, तो ये सब कुछ हम आपको जो है वो लम्हा व लम्हा जो है वो बताते रहेंगे। वेल, आज जो हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं गेस्ट, शी इज़ द डीन ऑफ स्कूल ऑफ लिबरल आर्ट्स। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर नादिया अनवर। आज हम उनसे बात करेंगे। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर टेकिंग टाइम एंड
माई प्लेयर।
Welcome to UMT TV.
Thank you very much.
So before starting the interview and I just want to know your background about your education and how's the journey with UMT.
That's a very interesting question. It's been a very long time that I haven't shared this with anyone. So you have given me that opportunity to recollect my past. So, I did my PhD back in 2015 from the University of Northampton, UK. And I remained in the UK for 5 to 6 years and gained a lot of experience. And when I was coming back, there were lots of people who used to say that you're making a mistake coming back to Pakistan. But then, I made my decision. My family was here, so I came back and then I joined UMT. And again, since I had left the government job, a lot of people were saying that you have made a mistake again by leaving a government job and coming to UMT, because since it's a private sector university and you're going to be really working very hard here. Again, I would say I didn't make a mistake, and alhamdulillah, it's been a wonderful journey for me. So my background is from literature, but during my stay here on different academic positions, I got to work with many students who were from other areas of research. So it has been a two-way journey.
थोड़ा सा मुझे बताइएगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लिबरल आर्ट्स के बारे में, एक थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन। व्हाट इज़ द स्कूल ऑल अबाउट? क्या क्या इसमें पढ़ाया जाता है?
You know that we are dealing with a very fast changing world these days, and we are inundated and flooded with a lot of social media stuff. And there needs to be people in society who can make sense of all what is happening about this transformation. And I strongly believe that, in order to, grasp our social realities, we need humanistic people. We need people with good judgmental qualities. We need people with skills of critical thinking and analytical reasoning. And I think subjects in liberal arts can do this very well.
क्या बात है। आप कोई भी चीज़ मिशन या एम के बगैर नामुकम्मल होती है, तो व्हाट इज़ द मिशन एंड द एम ऑफ द स्कूल?
The school is based on one motto, that is breaking out of the box. And I always say, people think that thinking out of the box is, is something revolutionary, but it's not that. It's about bringing diverse ideas together and creating an equilibrium.
आपके जो स्कूल है, इंस्टीट्यूट है, वो कितने प्रोग्राम्स ऑफर करा रहा है और कौन कौन से डिग्री प्रोग्राम?
जी, at the moment we are offering 4 postgraduate programs, research degrees, and 2 undergraduate programs.
Okay.
So do you need information about them? Yes, one is BS in English Language and Linguistics. The second is BS in English Literature. And we have 2 MPhils, MPhil in Applied Linguistics and MPhil in English Literature. And similarly, we have PhD in Linguistics and PhD in English Literature. Okay.
What is the minimum criteria to enroll into for the students?
For different programs, there are different criteria. So for BS, as you know that you need to have at least 50% marks in order to get admission and apply for this degree. And there are other requirements as well, that you don't have a 3rd division, etc. And for MPhil, if the student is coming from an MA background, that 45% marks, and then minimum 3.25 CGP, but then again, we also conduct our own university graduate assessment test, UGAT, and after that there is a departmental interview. So admissions in MPhil are really rigorous.
Just in case of numbers, can you share the numbers of research publication by the faculty or the students, or if you remember?
Every year our faculty normally produces more than 10 to 15. This is the range of the faculty publications, and our students, and I'm very happy that it's not just the PhD and MPhil students, our BS students have also started publishing their thesis.
Wow.
So 5 to 6 articles from our students are also always in the pipeline.
आपके स्कूल जो है वो क्या ट्रेनिंग्स और क्या कैलिबर देते हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को to become a very good professional when they just walk out from the university after study?
That's a very good question, and I think from this forum I would like to also tell our prospective students that normally it's thought that a degree in language or literature or humanities would only lead you towards teaching, but again it's a misconception, because our students are going into many professional fields like content writers and even in customer service, because they have good communicative abilities, and into entrepreneur, like they're starting their own businesses. They are opening up their libraries, and they are serving at different universities of the world in different capacities, not just as teachers. So it opens up nearly everything that we call professional in our community. So there are several avenues that you can explore with these degrees.
There is one question with the two parts. What is the biggest challenge being a dean, and what is the most favorite part being working at UMT?
Okay, so biggest challenge as a dean is that there is always this, and I'll be very honest with you, this fear that you might offend someone. Because when you are dealing with, as I told you earlier, with a diverse body of faculty and students, you'll have to perform them on their merit, because you need to be very objective. Although we empathize and we are compassionate about a lot of things, still in order to maintain a system you need to have a kind of a gentle, stern attitude, and when you exercise that, there is always this fear of offending someone, and that disturbs me. I don't like offending anyone. Still, that's a part of my job, and I have to do that. And yes, so the interesting thing about UMT is that UMT gives me a lot of challenges, and I love challenges. And I think it is because of all the challenges that I have gotten with time that I've grown as a professional.
Okay, ma'am, any tip for the newbies who are going to apply for the admissions and enrolling into your schools, and the last message for the students?
If you are talking about a tip in terms of admissions, then I would say that be informed of what is being offered in the market. Always explore all the possibilities. Try to connect with the people who are offering admissions in this semester. Also go to the websites, explore the departmental qualities, and also look at the faculty who is teaching what, and if the programs are HEC recognized, and what is the qualification of the faculty members. So after getting yourself informed about all these things, you can make a good decision, inshallah.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Nadia, for joining us today, and it's a lovely stuff. Thank you so very much.
Same here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for taking time. Admissions for fall 2021 are now going to open at University of Management and Technology, Lahore. See you. Bye-bye.